air conditioning in the humidification process. So let's start. So first problem. Calculate the load for 2.0 metric cube per second of air at 30 degrees Celsius at 10% RH, humidified to 40% RH. So we have the given here, which is the volume, which is 2.0 metric cube per second. The variable temperature 30 degrees. The relative at state 1 is 10%. The relative humidity at state 2 is 40%. So we need to find the load heat. So based on the psychometric chart, we can find the formula in getting the values. At 30 degrees Celsius at RH, 10% will have each one is 57 kilojoules per kilogram. And the volume, specific volume there is 0.865 metric cube per kilogram. Same also the variable temperature at 30 degrees, the relative, state at relative humidity is 40%, which is equivalent to H2, which is equals to 57.5 kilojoules per kilogram. Next is to get the mass flow rate. So to get the mass flow rate, we need to use the formula which is in the volume flow rate of the air divided by the specific volume of state 1, which is 2.0 divided by 0.65. Cancel out the metric cube, we will be left with 2.312 kilograms per second. Next is getting the load, which is equals to Q MC. Q is equals to M times H2 minus H1, which will be getting as 2.312 times 57.5 minus 37 joules per kilogram. Cancel out kilograms and we get the value 47 for 40 kilowatts. Next, for problem 2, determine the amount of water added to 0.7 metric cube per second of air at 28 degrees and 10% RH to reach a final state of 50% relative humidity. So based on the given, we have the volume flow rate 0.7 metric cube per second, the room temperature 28 degrees, RH1 which is 10%, RH2 which is 50%. So we need to get the mass of the water here. So using again the psychometric chart, we will be getting formula, rather the values at 20 degrees Celsius. At RH is equals to 10%, we will get the humidity, which is 0.0024 kilograms vapor per kilograms of dry air. And also the specific volume is 0.855 metric cube per kilogram. Same here, we have 28 degrees Celsius at RH2 at 50%, we will get the humidity ratio at 0.0118 kilograms vapor per kilograms of air. So same concept as we did as problem 1. So 0.7, which is the value at the volume flow rate divided by the value at the specific volume, 0.85, we will get 0.819 kilograms per second. So the mass of water can be get using the formula mass of air times the W2 minus W1. So we have kilograms per second, 0.819 kilograms per second times 0.0118 minus 0.024 kilograms vapor per kilograms dry air. Cancel out the kilograms of air, will be left with 0.0277 kilograms vapor per second. So that is all.